Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I don't know if you can hear from my voice, but I unfortunately did get sick, so I'm still really congested, but figured that I wanted to get something out for you guys, especially since I've been sort of previewing some really cool video ideas on my Instagram, so I didn't want to leave you hanging. I've just been all over the place with some business travel, and then I got sick and was moving around, so sorry about that, but hopefully I will be back to posting more consistently. If not, I'll definitely let you know on my Instagram, which is hellolux_. Again, I'll post a picture right here, but I'll let you know there if anything pops up that, you know, deters me from posting back regularly. Other than that, again, I would highly recommend checking my Instagram out there because I have been trying to post reels more frequently, some polls as to what you guys want to see, and some other good stuff. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and let's get started in today's video. Now, if you've seen from my Instagram, there have been quite a few videos that I wanted to film, but the Chanel unboxing came first in terms of what you guys voted. So after the Chanel boxing, I'm going to be posting some other videos like what's in my bag, a Marelle versus Buci from LV. I have an Hermes unboxing coming up. So again, hopefully this will kick it off, and then after that we'll have a slew of videos to come. So as you can see from this Chanel bag right here, it's actually from their it's not, I guess, from their holiday collection, but I bought it just in time to actually get their holiday packaging, which every single year I happen to somehow miss, even if I'm, you know, there at the right time. Oh, we're out. Oh, it hasn't come out yet, etc. So I was really happy to finally get my hands on it this year. If you can see, it's sort of the gold decorated ribbon, and then there's this really pretty like pearl detail that I can show you guys right here. Again, super pretty. If you can tell by the size of the bag, it's not something big, but it's something that I've had my eyes on, so let me go ahead and take it out of the bag. And of course, I will be sharing price details as I always do, so stay towards the end for that, and again, timestamps at the bottom as always. So here's the box, again, packaged super beautifully, that same black ribbon, and then that same pearl detail, which is just gorgeous. So actually, let's see what's the best way to take this out without ruining it. So let me go ahead, put this to the side, unbox this as I normally would. Any guesses so far? I mean, with the size of the box, I think it's a giveaway, but I don't think you'll be expecting to see what's inside. So I went ahead and I put everything to the side already, such as the leather care booklet, so we can just dive directly into this. So this is the small, I guess, you know, felt velvety type of bag slash pouch that all the small leather goods come in. So I think by now all of you guys know what it is or what type of small leather good it is, but maybe the exact one will hopefully be a surprise to you. So I'm going to just unbox it and then I'll give more details later. So here it is. It is a seasonal card flat. As you can see, it is black caviar, and then it has this sort of light gold hardware. And if you can see, it's not the typical CC. It has these little engravings in it, and I think it's just beautiful. So pretty standard, actually pretty puffy caviar, you know, with all the salts on the back. And then in the middle, so as you can see, this is from what they call the racing collection. So you can see that CC stamp in there, made in Spain. But then if you can look even closer, these are actual little flags. So yeah, this is what I got. And then to share the details with you guys, so this one specifically is from 23C, and I'll actually put this right here. It is from 23C, and what was most interesting about this one, which first I will go ahead and I'll flash the information there in case you're interested and want to show your essay. This one was actually 400 USD. Now 400 USD is still a lot, but I thought it was really interesting because it's actually less than their standard, you know, card holder. So I'll put a picture of the standard Chanel one right here. That one retails for $425. A lot of the other classic, you know, card holders like the Chanel 19 one, that one's also a little bit pricier. I don't remember the exact pricing, but it's more expensive than the classic one. And again, I'll attach a picture right here. Sometimes the seasonal ones can be more expensive than the classic ones because the emblem is bigger too. So here's an example of this one, which is $450, which looks pretty similar from afar. So I thought this was actually not a good deal because nothing from Chanel is ever actually a good deal. But considering how classic this looks, I don't know why they priced it less than their classic. So if you do know, please let me know. I thought at first it could be because of the material that's inside, but I double checked, or I thought I double checked a while ago, the classic ones, and I thought that the inside here was also not leather, and it was also some sort of material, so I don't know what it is, but I think that this is absolutely beautiful. In terms of why I wanted to get this, so if you guys have watched any of my last videos, you guys know that I recently bought a Chanel card holder, and I do not know for the life of me what I got on it. I'll insert a video right here. I think it's some sort of ink stain. I've used the Chanel leather conditioner, or not the Chanel leather conditioner, but the leather conditioner that is recommended by Chanel Essays, and it does not budge. And again, I'll link that leather conditioner in the description for you guys. It's absolutely amazing. It has gotten scratches off of my YSL Toy Lulu. It's cleaned out marks on my Buci and all my other bags. So I don't know what it is, if it's about, you know, the caviar leather or about the type of stain, but that one just will not budge. I took it to Chanel and they were like, oh, like it could be, you know, a pen mark, try an eraser, and the eraser didn't work either. So I thought that color was absolutely beautiful, but it reaffirmed to me that at least for small leather goods like this, which I'm going to be touching a lot, I'm going to be pulling in and out of bags, I need it to be black or some darker neutral color, because even though that one was a neutral, because of its lighter color, if it stains, it just, something just like bothers me when I look at it, because I'm like, oh, like I paid so much money for this, and I quote unquote ruined it. Of course, I know you can still use it, but it just makes me a bit sad. So I feel like for black, you can't go wrong. It's going to be a lot harder to get dirty, and definitely a lot less noticeable. Some other details, this did come in some other colors like a pink and a white, but again, black is the way to go for me, and I'm hoping to use this more often. And I know I can't fit as many cards in this as I can with a normal Chanel card holder from my old one, but you know, I'm thinking to just keep my basics, and then if I need any special gift cards or other cards, I can just bring them as needed and put them in my cash pouch. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And in terms of pricing, I know I already shared with you guys that it was $400 with tax. I ended up paying $438 where I am, but you know, that's what it is. And other than that, let's see. The only other thing I wanted to note, which was interesting, is since I bought this at Saks, actually, Saks has an extended holiday return policy. So I could actually return this until January 8th, even though I bought it in early November. So I thought that was really interesting. And again, I'm not going to return this, but I've been keeping it and not using it just in case I see something else that I like. I can go back and exchange it for something else. I really quickly wanted to show you how many cards could fit in this. So right now I have 6 cards in here. I have 2 in here, 2 in this middle flap, and then 1 each in this flap. You probably could stuff more, but I just don't want to stuff too many cards, especially when I first buy the card holder, because it's going to mold and it's going to expand. So if I happen to put less in those cards, then it's going to get loose and fall out. I will say, you know, this type of style, you aren't buying it because you know it's going to hold a lot of cards. So it fits just about the same as any card holder that is this style. So for example, every single time I travel, you know, abroad, or if I'm going on a work trip, I always bring this card holder because I really don't need a lot, just like my corporate card and then a few other credit cards, and I don't care about throwing it in and out, about it getting dirty. As you can see, it is dirty, and these hold the same amount. So it's just this type of card holder versus the other Chanel card holder, which is this one that I was using. This card holder actually fit all of this. As you can see, I have some reward cards, but a good, you know, amount. So it fit all of this and the 6 cards in here. So if you want something that's a little bit more spacious, this card holder is about $50 more, and you're going to be able to fit a lot more. You have this pocket right here, you have this pocket here too. But if you just want something that's maybe a little bit thinner, or you just like the look of this one better, then go for this one. But again, you're not going to be buying this wallet to fit a lot of cards. So hopefully this comparison helped. But yeah, that's it from me today. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick video, and please subscribe down below, give this video a like so that you can stay tuned and keep up with my next video. And I hope that everybody has a great holiday, New Year season, no matter what you guys celebrate. You know, have a great rest of the year, and I will see you guys in 2023. Bye.